Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I will be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy Philly cheesesteak sliders. These are very addictive and they're very easy to make. Please take a quick second to subscribe if you're new, like if you enjoy, and let's begin. Alright guys, to begin, I am starting with about 24 ounces of shaved ribeye steak, and also I am going to be using unsalted butter, dry parsley, minced garlic, and to season our steak I'm using garlic powder, Italian seasoning, Grill Mate steak seasoning, and for some more additional flavor, I am adding Mrs. Dash salt-free steak seasoning, and I'm using onion and bell peppers. You can use green bell peppers if you like, and for the cheese I'm using pepper jack cheese. Of course you can use provolone cheese, and you cannot forget your bread. You can use these or you can use any type of bread you like. These are my favorite, so that's what I'm using. To begin, quick disclaimer, if I sound different, I'm a little bit under the weather, so bear with me. So to begin, I drizzle about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to my skillet. I'm going to add the bell pepper, the onions. We're going to saute these for about 60 seconds. All right. Once they're nice and translucent, I am going to add the steak now. I'm not going to season the steak just yet. Once my steak is looking a little bit more grayish, that's when I'm going to season it. Don't ask me why. It's just the fact that I cook my shaved steak the same way as I cook my ground beef. I don't know why. I usually allow it to turn gray before I start seasoning. So now we're going to generously sprinkle the seasoning all over the steak. This seasoning combo is the best seasoning combo for steak. I'm telling you, hands down. It tastes absolutely so delicious. You don't need anything else. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. You're going to love it. Now I'm going to cook the steak for about 5 to 6 minutes. You don't want to overcook it to a point where it's dry. You just want to cook it enough because we're going to bake this for another 10 minutes in the oven, so you don't want to overcook it. So now you can see my steak is nice and ready. So I'm going to make like a garlic butter parsley mix for the bread. So I melted the butter, then I'm going to add the minced garlic in there. Next, I'm going to add my dry parsley, mix that together. And you're going to take, well, before you take your brush, you're going to slice your bread right in the middle as I'm doing right now. Now I'm going to grab a brush and just brush some garlic butter on the bread. However, you can add some mayo if you like, or whatever sauce you like, you can add some of that in there as well. Once I'm done, I am going to grab the steak and just place the steak right on top of the bread. Now, one thing I wish I did, I wish I added some cheese before I added the meat so I can have cheese on top and cheese at the bottom. Now that we added the cheese, I am going to grab the top of the bread, place it on top, and then I'm going to use some more of that garlic butter and just butter the top of the buns with it. And I'm going to bake this for about 10 minutes until my cheese nice and melted and ooey gooey. And this is what we're looking like before we even bake it. It's looking good. This recipe is so quick, you guys, and it tastes so good, especially if you guys having a game night, a get together. The perfect appetizer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try this out, because it's so easy to make and take no time, and it tastes so good. I want to say thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for rocking with your girl. Don't forget to always come back and watch my videos, like them, comment, and share. I will see you beautiful people on the next recipe. Bye guys.